In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use your Bits credit card. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to start using your Bits credit card, you must actually be a Bits member, and from there, you will get access to this Edition 1 MasterCard. In order to use it, you can simply click Show Details right here, and they will show you all of the details including the card number, your name, and all the other details you need to make payments online. And from there, you'll be able to make payments up to your credit limit. So as you can see, the credit limit right here goes up to £200, which means we can spend up to £200 on this card, and then we'll be able to repay it, which will help build up our credit score. Now, you can use this card pretty much in any place you want. However, you won't be able to use it in petrol stations, ATMs, gambling, pawn shops, and some places where it can be deemed as quasi-cash, meaning cryptocurrency and other things like that. And this is so that you can spend your money on things that you can easily repay back. This is an ideal card when you are trying to build credit, as there's no balance transfers, there's no cash withdrawals, and there's no gimmicks to get you to spend more. It also reports your transactions to the top 3 bureaus, meaning that every time you use this card responsibly, it will raise your credit score. So in order to actually use this Bits credit card, you first have to be a member, and from there you'll get given a digital card as well as a physical card, which you can then start using to build your credit score. So that's how you can use a Bits credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.